So about 2 weeks ago, I posted a tutorial on my channel where I showed you guys how to make 5 packs of spring twist hair with 1 pack of expression braiding hair, and then I went ahead and showed you guys how to do distress locks using our DIY spring twist hair. And one of my subscribers called Sissy said, "Wow, Loveth, this is lovely. Please, can you do a video on how to take down the hair? I love this hair, but I never make it because the takedown scares me." And that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you guys today. So for those of you who did not watch my last tutorial, I did mention that I'll be giving away 5 packs of this DIY spring twist hair to a lucky subscriber. And to enter the giveaway, all you need to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. So this clip hair was taken 5 weeks after I installed the hair, and I was feeling really emotional because I didn't want to take this hair down at all. But I had to because, you know, we have to film other tutorials, you know. So the first thing you want to do is cut the DIY faux locks about 1 inch or 2 below the length of your real hair. Afterwards, you want to locate the straight braiding hair, you know, that you braided with your natural hair, and pull it out from the DIY spring twist hair. Once you're done with that, you want to cut your DIY spring twist hair like so and pull it out. Afterwards, you want to go ahead and loosen the straight braiding hair, you know, that you braided together with your natural hair. And once you're done with that, you can go ahead and loosen like your own hair, you know, or do whatever you feel like doing with your hair. And guys, that's it. As the saying goes, seeing is believing, and as you guys can see, obviously I didn't lose any hair at all. So if you've been wanting to try this hairstyle, but you know you've been so scared because of the takedown, just go ahead and give it a try, because this protective style is 100% Loveth Speaks approved. So for those of you who watched my DIY distress locks tutorial, I told you guys that if you go ahead and like recreate this tutorial, just give me some credit so I can like share your video with my subscribers. And one of my subscribers recreated that tutorial, but instead of using straws, she used barbecue skewers. So for those of you who are having issues getting straws and you're looking for an alternative, please head over to her channel. I'm going to put the link in the description box of this tutorial. So I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you turn on your notifications, and make sure you show me a lot of love in the comment section. All right, make sure you watch the ads, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial.